Hello everyone, my name is Ambarish. So let's look at the first question of this series. Now before continuing to watch this video, I would request you to try this question on your own. Once you're done solving, resume watching this video. Alright, so let's get started. Now we are asked to find the sum of even integers from 52 to 92 inclusive, that is 52 plus 54 plus etc. up till 92. Notice here that these are evenly spaced numbers. What do you mean by evenly spaced numbers? Numbers with equal spacing. So 52 plus 2 is 54 plus 2 is 56, like that, right? So we have equally spaced numbers, evenly spaced numbers. Now whenever you are asked to find the sum of evenly spaced numbers, we can make use of an important property of averages. Now what do you mean by average? Average is sum of terms by number of terms. So if you know the average of these terms and if you know the number of terms, you will be able to easily find sum of terms by multiplying average of terms by number of terms. Now, how do you find average of evenly spaced terms? So there is a formula for that. Average of evenly spaced terms is first term plus last term by 2. Now, whenever you are looking at evenly spaced numbers, average falls in the middle. To find the middle number, we are just doing first term plus last term by 2. Now, when you do that, you get the answer as 72. So, average of these terms is 72. Now, you have to find the number of terms in this series. Now, how do you find the number of terms in this series? Again, whenever you are presented with evenly spaced numbers, you can find the number of terms in that series just by doing last term minus first term by spacing plus 1. When you do that, you get the answer as 21. So there are 21 terms and the average of these terms is 72. Now you can find the sum of terms by making use of the formula, that is sum of terms equals average of terms into number of terms. When you do that, you get this as 72 times 21. Now notice here that you can make use of your options. Instead of sitting and solving, finding out what 72 times 21 is, just make use of some common knowledge. One is 70 times 20 is 1400, which is something that you can easily find. So 72 times 21 is going to be slightly more than 1400 and you only have two options. So that way you have eliminated options A, B and C. You are left with only options D and E. And also notice that the units digit of 72 is 2 and units digit of 21 is 1. So when you multiply these terms, the units digit of the resultant is going to be 2 times 1, that is 2. So 72 times 21 is going to be a number that ends with 2. Now if you look at the options, you only have one option remaining, that is 1512, and that's our answer, that is option E. Now that you have understood this solution, let's look at a similar question. Okay, so try your hands on this problem and post your solutions in the comment section. Happy solving!